Clinique de Paris was born from a very personal French-Filipino story. My father came here and never left because he deeply believed in his country, in its people, its resilience, and its extraordinary potential. We wanted to create something that combined international medical standards with the warmth and humanity that Filipino care naturally has. We believe Filipinos shouldn't need to leave the country for world-class hair restoration and aesthetic care. For many years, people associated premium procedures with traveling abroad, but we knew the Philippines had the talent, the warmth, and the potential to deliver that same level of care locally. We felt patients deserved more than simply a procedure. They deserve precision, consistency, natural artistry, proper consultation, and an experience that felt premium from beginning to end. Our goal was to bring international standards here and help position the Philippines itself in a trusted destination for world-class treatment. Patients today are more educated than ever. People can now recognize when a hairline looks unnatural or overdone. At Clinique de Paris, natural results aren't a feature we offer. They're the baseline expectation we hold ourselves to. Anything less simply isn't acceptable. We never want patients to feel rushed, oversold, or treated like numbers. Every recommendation must be medically responsible and appropriate for the individual. And technically, we refuse to compromise on naturalness. The work should never announce itself. Clinique de Paris represents what becomes possible when you combine science, artistry, and genuine human care. It represents international standards built here in the Philippines. It represents trust, responsibility, and a commitment to doing things properly. And ultimately, it represents confidence restored naturally and thoughtfully, in a way that respects every individual patient.